guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Pharmacist Ngozi is my name. Today's topic is about Jock itch. Jock itch is a very common skin infection that occurs mostly in guys, and because I've seen a lot of it in the course of my work, that is why I want to talk about it today. Most times I see guys who come to complain about jock itch. Okay, most of them don't actually know that it's called jock itch. I'm the one that will actually tell them, okay, what you're having is called jock itch. And jock itch is typically the annoying itch you have around your groin, buttocks, or your thigh. It's very irritating and very disturbing. Because I see it often, and sometimes some guys will tell you they've treated it before and it keeps coming back and so on. Based on this, I'm going to be discussing jock itch, the simple way you can treat it and ensure it doesn't reoccur again. I've discovered that most times when people come back and say, okay, I treated it and it is still there, it has not gone, most times it is actually reinfection. It doesn't mean that the medicine that you used didn't work. It just means that you got reinfected. Jock itch is caused by fungus. The same fungi that causes ringworm or athlete foot causes jock itch. Those who are at risk of jock itch are people who sweat a lot. Example is athletes, or normally anyone who sweats a lot or who is involved in an intense physical activity and sweats a lot will have jock itch. Especially if you don't get to change your undies fast and you wait for a long time, you're going to experience jock itch. Secondly, those who are diabetic it can easily get jock itch because of their condition. Those who are immunocompromised, those who have low immunity, can easily come down with jock itch. Also, those who wear tight clothing. If you wear tight clothing that does not allow air, what it means is that when you sweat, the place remains moist, and that kind of environment encourages fungal growth. You're overweight and you have skin folds and you sweat under the skin folds, it encourages fungal growth. And what are the treatments? Jock itch can easily be treated with antifungal creams. If it has lasted for some time, of course, you can also combine it with antifungal drops. So simple creams like itaconazole or miconazole cream or itraconazole cream can actually take care of the jock itch. But what normally happens is that people get reinfected, and that's why they keep coming back to the pharmacy and saying, okay, I treated it last time and it's back again. I treated it last week and it's back again, or I'm treating it and it's not going. It's not going because you keep getting reinfected. When you keep wearing the same clothing, you get reinfected. Now, it is advised that your undies should be discarded before you start a new treatment. Now, in cases where you can't get a new set of undies, it is advised that you disinfect the ones you have. Now, this is the process in disinfecting the ones you have. After washing, you make sure you disinfect with disinfectant solution, and you make sure you sun dry the clothing under the sun. You don't put it in a shade, or you don't put it in your room. You make sure it is in the sun, and when you finish doing that, you use your iron to iron the clothes. So by the time you iron the clothing, you are good to go. Okay, this is the simple way to ensure that you don't get reinfected with this, because most people that keep coming back up to the pharmacy complaining they've treated it, is not going. It's just this simple tip that they are missing. You keep wearing the same undies and these fungal organisms are already on them, so you keep getting reinfected, or you keep wearing tight clothing that does not allow passage of air. Well, if you have done all these things I've listed here and you're still getting reinfected, often with this jock itch or fungal infections, maybe your immunity is low, because immunocompromised people easily come down with fungal infection. Also, cleanliness is very important. Of course, they say cleanliness is next to godliness. So cleanliness is very, very important. Make sure your environment is clean. Make sure your undies are clean. Make sure you don't stay on the same undies that you've already sweated on for a long time. It's important to stay dry. If you're a sport person, immediately you get to the house, you make sure you change. So having said this, guys, you may want to watch my last video where I talked about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, which is a very healthy drink that will help to improve your overall health. Kindly subscribe to this channel like, share and subscribe. Thank you.